Nature stinks. Stinky nature. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive. Please repeat. Stinky, furry animals. This animal sprays a stinky liquid when enemies get close. Striped polecats are like skunks. They raise their tails and spray when scared. Please repeat. This animal plays dead if enemies get close. It also makes stinky green slime. Opossums have pouches like kangaroos. Please repeat. A very stinky plant. The corpse flower stinks. A corpse is a dead body. And this plant smells like one. The plant's bad smell brings flies and beetles near. This animal shoots a stinky liquid as its enemies. A lesser anteater's rough fur keeps ants off its body. Please repeat. This animal makes stinky liquid to keep other animals away. It also pees on food it doesn't eat right away. The smell may keep other animals away. Wolverines are also called nasty cats because of their stink. Please repeat. This animal fights over mates. It uses stinky pee to keep others away. Musk oxen have 2 layers of hair to keep them warm. Please repeat. stinky birds. This bird eats leaves. Tiny living thing in its body break down the leaves. This way of eating makes it smell bad. The stink bird has wings but does not fly much. Please repeat. This bird eats dead animals. It throws up when enemies get close. Its throw up smells very bad. The smelly acid in a vulture's stomach helps it eat. Please repeat. Stinky bugs. This bug sprays a hot, stinky liquid when enemies get close. The liquid is so hot that it can kill some enemies. This beetle's smelly spray shoots out with a pop. Please repeat. This bug is too slow to run away. It makes a stinky liquid when enemies get close. This stinky spray that some millipedes give off can itch and burn. Please repeat. Other stinky animals. This turtle is also called stinkpot. It smells bad when enemies get close. A musk turtle lives 40 to 60 years. This frog smells like rotten onions when enemies get close. A female mink frog can lay up to 4,000 eggs at once. Please repeat. Good and stinky. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive. This female bird sprays a dark, stinky liquid to keep its nest safe. Please repeat. Okay, good job.